In today's video, you will learn how to send money internationally on PayPal. To get started with an international payment, sign into your PayPal account and head over to the Wallet section. On the right side, you'll see a list of available currencies connected to your account. Before sending money internationally, it's a good idea to add the currency you plan to send. This helps make the conversion process smoother and lets you clearly see the exchange rate before completing the transfer. Select the option to add a currency, then choose the one you want to send. For example, if you're sending money to someone in Thailand, you can select Thai baht and add it to your account. Once the currency has been added successfully, go back to the Home section and choose Send and Request from the menu. Now enter the PayPal details of the person you want to send money to. You can search using their name, username, email address, or phone number connected to their PayPal account. After selecting the correct contact, you'll be able to choose the currencies involved in the transfer. Make sure the first currency is set to your local currency, which is the currency the payment will come from. Then use the second currency option to choose the currency your recipient should receive. Once that's selected, enter the amount you want to send. PayPal will automatically convert the amount into the recipient's currency, so you can instantly see the estimated total they will receive. If you want the recipient to receive an exact amount in their currency, you can adjust the converted amount directly, and PayPal will automatically recalculate how much you need to pay in your own currency. This can be useful when covering invoices, bills, or exact payment requests. After reviewing everything, continue by selecting Send. At this stage, you'll need to make sure your PayPal account has a payment method linked, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card, so the transaction can be completed successfully. Thank you for watching.